Hello, yeah, I know. My lips are a bit oversized. I don't know how and why, but it is true.
You maybe won't believe it, but yeah, that was all done by AI. Remember like 2 months ago when I talked about the new revolutionary AI tool Omni Human? Well, it is finally out and we can test it. So are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. In order to access Omni Human, we need to go to Dreamina. The link will be in the description. Enter a birth date and sign up or sign in with your Google account. Here we can use the image generator and video generator, but we are not interested in that because we need to click on AI avatar generator and lip sync because this is where Omni Human is built in. Now on the left, we need to add a character image and then we need to provide it the audio which it should lip sync. We can either let it generate a text to speech or we can upload audio ourselves. We will test both. Let's upload this image of this woman with slightly oversized lips. This was generated in Midjourney. For the audio, we will generate some text-to-speech in 11 Labs. I will use the Roxy Lane voice, the voice of our singer-songwriter. Remember?
We'll rise together, never fall.
Okay, if you don't know what I'm talking about, simply watch this video. Okay, now let's write something like this and generate it.
Hello, yeah, I know. My lips are a bit oversized. I don't know how and why, but it is true.
Hahaha, that is perfect. Let's download it and upload it to Dreamina or Omni Human, whatever you want to call it. And press generate. The first generation is free. And the generation process takes a while. To be exact, this 4-second audio clip took 10 minutes to generate into a lip-sync video. Here it is, let's watch it.
Hello, yeah, I know. My lips are a bit oversized. I don't know how and why, but it is true. Hello, yeah, I know. My lips are a bit oversized. I don't know how and why, but it is true.
That is amazing. Let's download it. Unfortunately, we can only download it with a watermark. But one way around this is to simply record your screen, play the video, and then you won't have a watermark. Now next we will lip sync this image, also from Midjourney. This way we can test if it also works on drawn people. But instead of text, we will let him sing a song, so let's go to Suno. And now add a prompt, something like Black Man Rap Hip Hop Song. This the result.
Black gold pumping through my veins, unpriced treasure. Kings built empires, carried weight, no measure. Ancestors whispered, boy, you built from the fight. Every step on the pavement, I'm claiming my life. Raise a fist high, let the rhythm unfold.
Okay, let's download it. Now, since we can only let Omni Human lip sync no more than 15 seconds, we need to cut the song and make it shorter. Simply add it to CapCut and cut it. Now export it as an MP3 like this. Now let's add the image and music snippet to Dreamina and let it generate. But yeah, this costs 112 credits and we only have 120. The generation also took like 10 minutes. Let's check it out.
I'm claiming my life. Raise a fist high, let the rhythm unfold. Stories told in the heart, in the spirit of bold. I'm claiming my life. Raise a fist high, let the rhythm unfold. Stories told in the heart, in the spirit of bold.
Just perfect. Okay, and yeah, I logged in with a new Google account to get some new 120 free credits. This time, let's upload this laptop man, also generated with Midjourney. And now we will use the build in text-to-speech. Now here we can choose from a lot of different narrators. Okay, let's generate it. While that one is generating, I also uploaded this skull image, which was also generated by Midjourney. And I found some evil voice in 11 Labs. And yes, this can happen when your audio is too long. And yeah, they also both took like 10 minutes. And before I am going to show you this result, be sure you are listening attentively, because what he is about to say is very important.
So yeah, I was just typing on my laptop, but to be real, Mr. Lemon needs to be president. No cap. So yeah, I was just typing on my laptop, but to be real, Mr. Lemon needs to be president. No cap. Mr. Lemon needs to be president. No cap.
Ha ha ha. That was cool. Now, the last generation was just a fail. Look at it.
Hello. Yeah, I am a very evil creature. Hello. Yeah, I am a very evil creature.
But never mind, now here comes some honorable mentions. This is a video AI search created. A very cool video because also his hands and arms are animated.
How is it possible that NVIDIA became so big building GPUs? And so there's an impression that this is what a GPU looks like. Now this is a GPU. This is one of the most advanced GPUs in the world, but this is a gamer GPU.
And this guy made a cool Chinese singing woman.
曇り空割れて光差し込むようにね
And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own AI deepfakes with Omni Human, Dreamina, and tell me what you think of it. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never, ever, 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 never, ever, 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 never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye.
Hello, yeah, I know. My lips are a bit oversized. I don't know how and why, but it is true.
I'm claiming my life. Raise a fist high, let the rhythm unfold. Stories told in the heart, in the spirit of bold.
So yeah, I was just typing on my laptop, but to be real, Mr. Lemon needs to be president. No cap.